Santa Cruz County Animal Shelter Pet of the Week.
So you can look at our logo here. We've got cats, dogs, and rabbits. There's the bunnies. So most of our animals here are cats or dogs, but we have bunnies here as well. The rabbits come to us the same way that the other animals come. They could be stray, lost, or it could be their people couldn't take care of them anymore. In any case, we end up with a lot of rabbits who are looking for new homes. Bunny rabbit ears, there you go. So this is Cookie, and who's Cookie's friend? Cookie and Serenity. So they're real good friends. They keep each other company. And bunnies do well with a good match. They have someone to keep them company when you're gone to work. And you can see in his kennel we provide a number of different things for the rabbits. They have litter boxes, so rabbits are litter trainable just like your cats. They're very clean animals. You can see that he's got Timothy hay. We always make sure they have Timothy hay over in the corner to nibble on. You'll see that they have stuffed animals because a number of them do like to snuggle with stuffed animals, and they have toys, and they have their pellets too. Some of our rabbits come in and they don't know how to eat anything but pellets because that's all they've ever eaten. So sometimes we have to talk them into eating their greens, but their greens are really important for them. You'll see they always have leafy greens, dark greens in there, as well as their Timothy hay. There you go, so that's little Terry. And then I'm going to get Camille out, and we'll meet Camille. She's our pet of the week. Rabbits are ground-dwelling creatures, so you always want to make sure they feel secure in your arms. Camille was brought to us as a stray. She was found in the YMCA up in Boulder Creek. Apparently she'd been seen wandering there before, and someone was concerned about her, so managed to bring her here to us. And nobody came to get her, so she became our rabbit. And she's been looking for a home for a while now. But as you can see, she's super social. So somebody loved Miss Camille and someone took care of her. But for whatever reason, she's lost her home, and we're hoping to find her another good one. Hello, Miss Camille. So a variety of foods is very important to rabbits. Their pellets are their mainstay food, but having fresh, dark leafy greens is really important. Maybe a Brussels sprout a day. They like a lot of fruits and vegetables too. And having something to chew on is important. If you look inside our rabbit kennels, you'll see there's always cardboard for them to chew on or willow for them to chew on. Because rabbits' teeth are special. They're different from yours and mine. Their teeth are growing every day of every week of their lives. So they need to chew on things to wear those teeth down. That's why it's important to rabbit-proof a room, because they'll nibble on things sometimes. But they do want to live inside like you and me. They'll have a rabbit-proofed area. Years ago we kept rabbits out in hutches, but they'd much rather be inside with you. Rabbits like Camille are super social with people and with other rabbits. They can live comfortably with other animals as well. They also need that Timothy hay. They'll go through a bag of Timothy hay about as big as their body every day, and they need that Timothy hay to digest the rest of their food properly. So there's a lot of different care that goes into taking care of a bunny. We have a rabbit care manual that we send home to help people learn about their rabbits. She's in, yeah, there's her little tail. She's exploring.
Cute.
Yes, she is. She's very cute and she's very friendly. She's different from your cats and your dogs though, so learning her body language and what makes her comfortable, her needs, is really important. Camille's an adult rabbit. She's a female. She's already spayed. She's ready to go home with the right people. Oh, don't nibble on my shoelaces, my dear. A rabbit like Camille would fit into many homes. Some rabbits are a little more timid or shy, but Camille is very outgoing and friendly. You can see how alert she is, how interested she is. Her ears are up and she's exploring. Very outgoing rabbit. Friendly and easygoing. They like playing with toys. They like stuffed animals to snuggle with. They have different needs than your dogs or cats, but they make wonderful companions as long as you understand their needs. We have a special adoption event coming up on June 22nd. We're going to be celebrating all the animals here at the shelter and summertime. It's called Hot Dogs, Cool Cats, and Rockin' Rabbits. So on June 22nd from noon till 5, that's a Saturday, we're going to be celebrating the critters with half-price adoptions. So we're sending everybody home half price that day. That includes their spay or their neuter, their microchip, their vaccinations. We're going to have live music and food, a bake sale. So come on down and visit the shelter and maybe meet your next best friend at Cool Cats, Hot Dogs, and Rockin' Rabbits on June 22nd.
Ja. Heerlijk. Bunny.
Beautiful
Bunny, bunny,
spots.
bunny, bunny, bunny. Yes, soft bunny. Soft bunny. Soft bunny. Soft.
Santa Cruz County Animal Shelter, open door, open heart. We're Santa Cruz County's open admission shelter. No animal is ever turned away.